So back with y'all on this 90 something or whatever Warrior 350. I was pressure washing it and I found the exhaust valve tappet in the battery tray right here where the tools will go. It was laying down in there. So I went ahead and took the tank off and I took the timing cover uh, off over there and got it top dead center, and I'm fixing to put this tappet in and adjust it. I looked it up, it said anywhere between 16 to 20, so I'm going to adjust it and shoot some starting fluid at it and see will it hit off. Uh, hopefully hopefully come out good. I don't understand why all right. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna adjust this exhaust valve. I think I'm gonna set it at 16 with the filler gauge. Still mysterious is why they took it out. I mean, I looked at it, it was kind of rusty. I looked at it, it didn't look like it was worn. I don't know if they took it out of there and put it in something else or what, but it's mysterious. Maybe somebody came up there and needed one and thought theirs were wore out. And they took this one out and left the old one in the back. Like I said, it's where his shop is. He kind of just let people run sometimes, and they do what they want to do and steal stuff. I think I did a video of me getting a Mini Trail 50 at his shop. Man, that is mighty loose. Make sure it's right. So, you watch the video, you'll see that it's kind of scattered, everything is scattered out. And, you know, he lets people go out there and dig through stuff. It's gracious, this thing is hard to say. Trying to get it adjusted here. That tappet might be wore out. Because me trying to adjust it, I'm having to turn that lock nut all the way in. Get that thing to adjust. As you can hear, it's still got a lot of slack in it. just now starting to adjust. So. Well, if it does crank up and rattle, I got a new one coming anyway, a new exhaust valve tappet. So. But we'll see. Put this valve cover back on. I checked the intake valve and it's in there, and it seems to be adjusted right. We shall see. Strange thing is these screws, they just don't screw all the way in. I guess the dirt daughters